look at these. This is over New Jersey. Does that look like some sort of any kind of a drone that you've ever seen before? Well, the problem is, take a look at this. So this is a person, using a telephoto lens camera, and you can see here in their viewfinder what they're seeing in their viewfinder. These are circular orbs, some sort of large circular orbs, not drones. Someone got the UFO image with his telescope. You can see from the video behind the camera. You can see this orb is surrounded by like some kind of a field as well. Another eagle-eyed observers have pointed out this is the same kind of field, by the way, that Bob Lazar described almost 30 years ago when looking at these type of craft. There's some sort of a field that surrounds these craft.
Hold on, B. We gonna get this work.
So if y'all can see, there are drones all over the sky. In Temecula. We came up here to see if we could figure out where they're gonna go, but before they come down, they turn the lights off. So we're gonna go in the morning, maybe, sometime during the day. There's so many. It's like 10. And they're all over the city. And considering how high we up, they can go all the way up here. We saw one a little bit ago, all the way up here, so they can get high. These are not just like cheapy drones. These are real expensive, high-flying drones. I'm so cold. Those are, they get high, dude.
That huge one just sitting there.
Hard to find the camera. That one right there.
Just sitting.
I want to say that it's like police drones and shit, but I don't even think they are. Just somebody surveying the whole fucking U.S. Or at least all of California.
And New Jersey.
And New Jersey. They're just everywhere, man. The camera isn't even picking it up, and I'm also shaking like hell because I'm freezing. Should've brought a jacket, but Jesus, dude. Like it's they're
Do you hear
bright.
that?
Yeah, dude.